Let me show you how to remove linked device in WhatsApp. You can easily remove your all linked device in WhatsApp. Method is very easy and simple. First step is we will see how to see your linked device in WhatsApp. First step is click on three dot and here you can see setting option. In the middle you can see linked device. Just click on linked device. Here you can see all your linked device show here. It means your WhatsApp number login in other account like WhatsApp, PC, laptop. And method how to remove this number from other access. Just tap on it. Here you can see three dot option. Just click on it. Here you can see this is the simple process how to remove your WhatsApp login from other people access. Just click on remove device and then click on remove. It means your WhatsApp account remove automatically from other device, and this is the simple process. If you want to watch all WhatsApp tips video, kindly check our YouTube channel. Thank you.